Yan. Yun. Very good. Run, Paul G. Run! Run ka kasi, faster. Ayun, go, follow the rabbit. It's okay. Go, go. Ayun, close, close, close. Ayun. The exit na, the exit.
What the heck?
Open mo na. Yun yung baby. Get mo yung drink, daddy niya. Yung milk.
Ayun. Ano mas to, Nana?
Yay. Change diaper. Likot mo, Paul J. Change diaper. Oh. Oh. Ayun. Get mo na yung niya, milk. Sa rep.
Sweat?
Rep. Yan, rep. Yan.
What?
Ayun. Poop na naman. Wala na naman.
Ayun!
Ano daw siya? Milk again. Get mo daw again yung milk. Hungry siya again.
Again,
Yes.
Sweat?
Rep. Very good ah. Sinasarap pa yung mata.
Okay. One this thing.
Yeah. Diaper na naman.
Nana, what the heck? One more milk.
Diaper muna. Change diaper.
And get the milk, okay? Okay.
Oh, wala na naman.
Hey, what are you doing on TV?
Watch siyang cocomelon. Oh, di ba? Drink siya again.
Oh, yun! Open it!
Get mo na siya ng milk muna.
Oh, Dad.
Milk daw.
I smell. What the heck?
Milk.
I smell.
Ang galing mo ah.
Oh, Dad.
Dinala mo na dun sa kusina.
What the heck? Oh!
Ano yun?
Spider balloon.
Wala.
Balloon is balloon. Balloon is cake.
Wala. Ito ulit-ulit. Hungry siya ulit. Uy, ano ginagawa mo sa baby? Milk siya ulit.
Open!
Magmi-milk siya ulit. Milk daw, Paul J. Sabi, yan o. Milk ng baby daw.
No? Yes. It's done.
Milk, ano ba? Saan ka ba pupunta? itsura nun. Oh, diaper again.
Ay, tipagan.
Lagay mo muna siya sa table. Get mo yung baby. Get the baby. Get the baby. Get the baby. Get the baby, Paul J.
Table.
Hindi, get mo yung baby. Baby, sabi ko, baby. Ayun o, get mo yung baby.
With the baby.
Yes, get mo yan.
A baby.
Get mo yung baby. Yan o, ayan. O, lagay mo doon sa CR.
CR.
Oo, yan kasi o, sabi o. O, lagay mo siya doon, higa mo siya doon. Change daw diaper. O, get ka pa ng more diaper. Wala naman diaper. Kasi, iniba mo kasi yung proseso eh. Ang dami naman sa xylophone.
What's with the toys? What the heck? Why is my voice? Ayun. Hey!
Yung eyes niya.
Discover naman. What the heck? Hey!